Excessive sweating, also known as hyperhidrosis, is a medical condition characterized by excessive sweating that affects 4.8% of the population. And those who suffer from the condition sweat 4 to 5 times more than the average person. And since it's not super common, it often doesn't get talked about. And additionally, those who do suffer from hyperhidrosis can feel a little bit embarrassed by the condition and often unfortunately suffer in silence because of this condition. Therefore, I wanted to shed some light on an affordable, drug-free, at-home solution that could potentially help from a company called Dermadry. While I personally don't believe I have hyperhidrosis as such, I do suffer from sweaty feet and hands, especially during the summertime, which can be really uncomfortable. So today we're talking all things sweat and a solution that could potentially help. Hey love, welcome back to my channel, a channel where I mostly talk about money mindset and abundance with the sprinkling of wellness because I am a self-proclaimed wellness junkie. So if you like the sound of that, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for your weekly dose of Thrive. Dermadry is basically a home-use iontophoresis machine, and it is a non-invasive, drug-free and needle-free piece of technology to treat excessive sweating. This technology works by using tap water and an electrical current to direct a small current through the skin, effectively neutralizing the connection between the nerves and the sweat glands, which temporarily stop the production of sweat, making it one of the few instances where mixing water and electricity is actually recommended. What is really awesome about this machine is that you can use it for your feet, your hands, and your underarms. And in terms of its effectiveness, studies have shown that iontophoresis machines, such as Dermadry, are very effective in the treatment of excessive sweating. And in nearly all cases, this effectively treated excessive sweating. And studies have shown that the success rates can reach from anywhere from 93% to 100% of people treated for hyperhidrosis. Unlike creams and antiperspirants, iontophoresis has a tremendous success rate in achieving complete dryness. How do you set it up? Inside each box, you get the metal plates to conduct the electrical currents, the towels to use as a protective barrier to protect the skin during treatment, and the AC adapter with the cables that plug into the device. When you're all set up, you simply pour the tap water over the towels and ensure that you plug the device into a power source to begin your treatment. Each treatment is said to last around 20 minutes or so. When it comes to the underarm setup, it's a very similar process. You simply dip the underarm pads into your tap water and then you slip them over the metal bar conductor and use it in the same fashion as you do for your hands and feet. How often should you use it? To fully maximize the efficiency of iontophoresis, as well as to get the most out of your iontophoresis treatment, it's important to understand the treatment phases and the schedule. And this kind of treatment is divided into 2 treatment phases: the initial phase and the maintenance phase. The treatment frequency really depends on the level of hyperhidrosis, whether it be mild, moderate, or severe. And during the initial phase, to achieve optimal results, you are looking to perform the treatment up to 5 times a week at the highest comfortable setting for up to 6 weeks. And most of the time, most people actually achieve their desired results within 2 weeks. When it comes to the maintenance phase, this is the phase when you've attained your desired level of dryness in the initial phase. And the maintenance schedule must be maintained to upkeep results, and the frequency can be as little as once every few weeks, depending on the severity of the hyperhidrosis. Try it for yourself. Now that you know how this nifty device works, and if you want to try it for yourself, Dermadry has been awesome and kind enough to give me a link for you to try them out for yourself in the description below. While all the shipping, warranties, and pricing are on their website, I did want to mention that they are proudly assembled in Canada following strict ISO 13485 procedures and exclusively made of medical grade material. And they also have free express shipping worldwide, in addition to a 5-year warranty, so you can make a confident decision when choosing Dermadry. So how good is it going to feel now that you can give a more confident and memorable handshake, say goodbye to embarrassing sweat stains, and feel free to lift your arms up at any time thanks to this nifty device from Dermadry? It's quite relieving if you ask me, but you didn't ask me, so I'm going to ask you if you've ever suffered from excessive sweating before and have used a device like Dermadry, or maybe you've even actually tried Dermadry. So whatever your situation is, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And again, if you do want to try Dermadry for yourself, I have that special link for you in the description below. If you also found this video insightful, useful, or inspirational, remember to give it some love with a thumbs up and subscribe for your weekly dose of Thrive. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep on thriving and take care of yourself.